guys, so I actually made it to the hotel. I don't know why I thought I was gonna be able to check in early, but anyway, I'm here. I just dropped my luggage off, and I don't know what to do. Honestly, I might walk around because it is a very walkable city. That's really all I see is people walking. It feels really good. It feels probably like, you know what, let me check the weather. Hold on. Okay, it says 53, but I don't know, with the sun shining, it feels like it's about 70, maybe 80, I don't know, but it feels really good. My Uber driver was actually telling me about the beach, like maybe I should check out the beach, so I may do that, not with these clothes on that I have on, but definitely I will try that, and also try to find somewhere to get other clothes as well. I've been talking about that, but yeah, I'm here. My battery is about to die. I can change it though. I do have other batteries. I know it's like, probably in these last couple of videos, I'm like, oh, my battery is about to die. I keep forgetting it. Wait, I can charge this one, or I could just switch it out. But yeah, so I'll probably pick y'all up when I get to the next place. Guys, as usual, we'll get the first look together. Alright guys, we are in Vancouver. Okay, nice little corner suite. Okay, but we're on the 9th floor. Loving the view. This was a 3-star hotel. I paid $340 for 2 nights. Simple bathroom. Overall, it's decent. $340, guys. Do not travel the way I'm traveling. I don't recommend it. 0 out of 10, don't recommend. Buying everything last minute. Next time I will plan. And honestly, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I do this a lot, like where I don't plan my travels. I sometimes end up spending a little bit more money than what I should. I love this view though. I love this view. Oh my goodness. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but you can see the mountains back there. Like, this is a vibe. But anyway, I definitely don't recommend traveling the way I travel. Like I said, I literally pay more just because I wait last minute, and it's not a good thing at all. But I had some money saved and I knew I was gonna travel, so here we are. I didn't tell y'all, but I went to get a massage. That was really nice, just to pass the time. And I had been wanting a massage. I just didn't want to pay for it on a cruise, because you know, cruises, massages be like that. And yeah, this one wasn't bad. It was actually $65. It's $235, so I'm probably gonna relax for about an hour till 3:30. And then I actually booked an excursion. I booked a e-bike tour for Stanley Park. All the reviews online say go to Stanley Park is a must. There's a lot of places that are a must. But anyway, let me stop talking to y'all so I can get all this stuff going and also take a little nap. See y'all in the next clip.
If you ride with me, I got a word for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the middle of. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. The driver's seat, don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the middle of. For the both of us, driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love.
Okay guys, I'm gonna have to put y'all on my back because I don't have anything to keep this sturdy in the front.
This gear here makes it easier to pedal, so less resistance, a lower gear. The one behind is more resistance, and like if you're going downhill and you want to go really fast, you just keep pushing that until you get into a hard spinning gear. Over there, that's the west side of Vancouver, and the University of British Columbia, the largest university in this area, is at the very tip. Bit of a story about, you know, some folklore that took place in their village, a little bit of the story, or pay homage to some of the nature that you can find in this area. That's the business center of Vancouver. Cypress Mountain. They have skiing. They have lights on that mountain, so you can go night skiing. I do a lot of snowshoeing up there. That's called Hollyburn up there. This time of year, tons of hiking and mountain biking in there. That's Grouse Mountain, same thing. Winter skiing. They have lights in the late 1930s. It's basically privately funded by the Guinness family. There was nothing over there, and they wanted to sell some real estate, so they privately paid.
I'll most likely pick y'all up either later today or tomorrow. I'm just really tired. Like to get here was just exhausting. So yeah. See y'all in a minute. Y'all don't know how much I love that song. Hold on, I think it's kind of too dark in here actually. Okay guys, I had to cut the light on. I couldn't really see myself, and I'm pretty sure y'all couldn't see me either. But hey y'all, hey, I vlogged, obviously y'all saw. I just did like just showing y'all the scenery. Wasn't really much to talk about. You know, I had food. The crab legs was really good, really delicious. Bland, like it wasn't like your typical crab boil type of thing. Not that I don't care for the crab boils, it's just more so the fact like I really sometimes just enjoy like a good crab and butter situation. But it was pretty good. So it is Wednesday. My family actually just made it into town. I can't remember if I mentioned this in the other vlog, so I'm just gonna mention it now. I'm in Seattle. One of my cousins, or I would say one of my mom's cousins. And the reason I'm saying mom's cousin because she's like in her age range. But one of our cousins, it's her birthday, and so we all are here. My cousin Amber that y'all saw in my first vlog, she's also gonna be coming. She's actually my roommate, so I'm super happy about that. I'm so happy that everything just aligned and you know we are coming and doing this together. So y'all will see her tomorrow. My parents are here. This is my last night in this hotel. I'm gonna miss it, y'all. I love the view. I've been loving the view actually. View is 10 out of 10. Recommend. Citizen M, Pioneer Square. So this is literally right near the water here in downtown Seattle. Very beautiful. As of this moment of me recording this, I only have one vlog up. I'm so excited. Right now it's at like 108 views, and y'all, every view I'm so happy about. I know about 40 of those is me myself. I know, like, yeah, 40 of those are definitely from me, like straight up for me. So shout out to me for tuning in. Keep tuning in. But no, for real, thank you to everyone that has tuned into the video. Thank you to everyone that will tune into this video. It has tuned into the other video that I'm posting on Saturday, this Saturday. So if you haven't looked at that, that's Long Days in Long Beach. Make sure you check that out. But yeah, so I just wanted to get on here, you know, talk to y'all a little bit, tell y'all how everything is going. I haven't really done much besides what y'all saw, just walking to Target or using the scooter to go to Target, walking to the Pike, is what they call it, Pike Square, I think. That's really it. That's all I've been doing. I've been trying to edit this video for the longest. Y'all, I'm still having issues with my laptop. That's still an ongoing issue. I need to really figure that out because it's stressful and it's exhausting and it's draining. I met up with my parents and my aunt. So they're here. We just went, had dinner, and then they dropped me back off at my hotel. And now they're back at their hotel relaxing because this was their travel day. So they're exhausted and stuff like that. I am going to try to edit as much as I can, as much as the computer will allow me. Y'all see it over there. I just wanted to pick y'all up and, you know, just tell y'all what's going on right now. But I will most likely, more than likely, see y'all tomorrow. This may be the end of this vlog because, like I said, tomorrow we'll be going to the boat. I will see y'all in the next clip, or I will see y'all on the flip side. That sounds dated, right? I don't know, but I will see y'all tomorrow.
Thank you.